Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll go over how to add a quiz to a track using both the Instruqt Web UI and CLI. A quiz is a multiple-choice question the learner must answer during track play before proceeding to the next challenge or finishing the track. Quizzes help learners to stay focused and motivated, as well as to assess and retain what they've learned so far. Each quiz needs at least 2 possible answers, and you can assign 1 or more answers as correct. Before we get started, make sure that a track has already been created. If you need help creating a track, visit our documentation page, or check out our videos in the Instruqt Tutorials playlist of our YouTube channel. First, let's open up our web browser and navigate to play.instruqt.com. Click on the name of the track that this quiz will be added to. On the track overview page, click Add Challenge. In the title field, enter in the title of the quiz. For this example, we'll call it Our First Quiz. The slug is a unique identifying part of a web address, so it will be named Our-First-Quiz. Under Type, select Quiz. In the editor, enter the assignment text using Markdown. If you are unfamiliar with Markdown, we've provided a link to a handy cheat sheet. Click on New Answer to create the first possible answer. Let's add in 2 additional choices. Select the correct answer box for the answer that is correct, and leave the others unchecked. Click Save to create the quiz. Now, start the track to test if the quiz is working. Looks like it works great! Awesome job! Let's switch gears and discuss how to add a quiz using the Instruqt CLI. As a reminder, we recommend you use a code editor like Visual Studio Code. First, pull up a terminal and activate the track directory by typing cd and the directory name. Now to add a challenge to the track, type Instruqt challenge create --title, and then the title you wish to name in parentheses. So we'll call this My First Quiz. Let's open up the track folder in Visual Studio. The new challenge should be visible in the sidebar. Open the assignment.md file of this new challenge and replace the content with the following code. Feel free to pause this video or copy the code directly from our documentation. If you take a look at the code, it contains all of the same information that we entered when creating a quiz using the Web UI. Our answers are listed in the order we'd like them to appear. The solution is listed as 3, which is our third choice, and the quiz question is listed at the bottom. Now, let's save our assignment.md file by using Command or Control-S and move back to our terminal. Run Instruqt track push. And there we have it. If we go to the linked track, we see our track overview page and the quiz that we've just created. Click on the quiz to test it out. Awesome job! For more information on building out your tracks in Instruqt, head to our documentation page.